I, I just got a new guy and he's getting me fly. I'm richer than my ex, had to start on decline. I just wanna buy all the finer things in life more, and I got that crazy, crazy mind. I'm ciphering all just by myself. What? I don't need another artist for some help. Nah, speaking Spanish and English as well. I'm Filipina if you couldn't fucking tell. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako incheck pero matay naniningkit. Ang lakas-lakas ng usok, dibdib ay naninikip. Napakasarap ng kuha ko, aba sobrang lakit. I'm getting super fucking high. Di na ako makatayo kahit hindi na mapilay. Ang lahat ng gusto ko, kayang-kaya ko ibigay. Kung ako ang gusto mo, I like to see you fucking try. Baby, baby, would you die for me? Would you write for me? If you have a lot of secrets, would you hide from me? Would you lie to me? If your smile is real, I just bought a lot of papers, get high with me. O kaya ibalot mo na yung ro. Marami pa ko